Alright, so we want to continue with our long division. This is part 2, and we want to look at a dividing by a trinomial. Okay, so how do I deal with a trinomial? Well, if we look at the same process we did before, okay, we're going to look at what goes inside and what goes outside. Well, this is going to be the part that's outside, and this is the part that's inside. So when we write this, again, we're going to check, do I have all my exponents? Yes, I do. So we're going to write it as we see it. And we're going to divide by this trinomial, x squared plus 2x minus 3. And we're going to take the same philosophy we did last time. What do we need to multiply to x squared to get me 2x to the 4th? Well, I need x squared for sure. And I need a 2x squared. So where do I put the 2x squared? Always line it above the other x squared. So we're going to put the 2x squared there. And we're going to multiply. Now when we multiply, we got to multiply times everything. So 2x to the 4th plus 4x cubed. Notice how they line up right on top of each other. Minus 6x squared. And we're going to subtract. So as I subtract, we're going to get 8x cubed plus 10x squared. Notice the 2x to the 4th cancel. That's subtract 12 minus 4, and this is 4 minus a negative 6, which is positive 10. Bring down our next term. Now, match up front terms again. X squared to 8x cubed. Well, I need an 8x. So we're going to go 8x here. Multiply all three things. So 8x cubed plus 16x squared minus 24x. Subtract. First one cancel out. Second one would be negative 6x squared. And then negative 36 minus a negative 24 would be negative 36 plus 24, which is minus 12x. And we're going to bring down to 10. Okay, and so we got one more time to do this. Match up the first term, which would be, I need a negative 6. So I get negative 6x squared minus 12x plus 18. And notice what happened. First one canceled and the second one canceled. Okay. And then 10 minus 18 will be negative 8, which is now my remainder. Now, when I divide by a trinomial, I might get a binomial as my remainder, and that is fine. Okay, so we write our answer, 2x squared plus 8x minus 6 plus negative 8 over your divisor, x squared plus 2x minus 3. And we get our long division. Okay. Now, just as a side note, if you happen to divide by something and your remainder is 0, remainder of 0 means that your divisor is a factor of that problem. Okay, so just a little added bonus for you. Alright, so hopefully this helps you. Our next thing we will be talking about is synthetic division by binomial.